Good morning, YouTube. Here at work right now. I'm on my break right now, my lunch break. That's why it kind of looks like an office, but it's my break room. It's my little ghetto break room. Anyways, so what I have today is I have this Mag-lite, old school Mag-lite with this incandescent light bulb. Gives off the yellow little light. I ordered a new LED light bulb conversion kit, and I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. So let me open this up, and I'll get back to you right now. Okay, so here we have it. Sorry. Okay. So in case you guys are wondering what the part number is or any of that stuff, here it is. Let's see if you guys can read it. So I'll leave it up there for a little bit. See if this camera can focus. Let's see. There you go. Okay. So it's a lit Mag-lite LED upgrade bulb 3-6 cell C and D model new, and the model number is X001GR5W8H, and it's made by Lit Industries, LITT Industries. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, so we got a little flyer here. Lit Stick. Little advertisement for them. This is their website. I didn't go directly through them. I went through Amazon. Oh, look, they gave me a little sticker. Directions. Let's see what's in here. I believe this is the glass. And for those of you who want just the glass, I don't know if that's in focus. Part number is X0015HR4CP. On Amazon, it was included as a whole set, which was the glass and the bulb. So we have the glass. You can't, well, they don't recommend you using the stock bulb on there because stock bulb, I mean the stock lens, because I believe the stock lens will melt or overheat. This is the instructions. There we go. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, another sticker. Like stickers. Keep that. And what else we got? And we got the LED light bulb packaged. Pretty nice. Open it up. Little shield. Little ring. That's the light bulb right there. Little ring. I believe somewhat like this. Sits in there. So you slip this ring right over here. Should fall in place. So let me open this up. This is actually my dad's Mag-lite. Saw that the other day I tried using it, kind of sucky ass light that it gave off, so I decided to get a better bulb than what he had in there. So pull off the old one. I guess I could reuse the same ring, but I'm just gonna use everything new. So I'll drop it in the bulb. Drop it in there. Get the new ring, slip it over. Let's see if I can get. Remember not to cross thread it. Stick it in. Okay. I'll put this new. You know what? One thing I forgot to do. Let me do it before and after. I'm sorry about that. So let me restart this over. And I'm not gonna pause this and I'm just gonna do it all in one shot. That's how we do our videos, keeping them real. We all make mistakes, and I just made one. Oh well, get over it. You don't like it? Fast forward. So let me kill off this light. Show you. Okay, so there's a glimpse right there. Okay, you see that? That's your before. Now let's do this again. Take off the bulb. Screw it. This one's a new one on. Screw the head. Boy. Take off the top. Pop off the whole light bulb. Needed to be replaced anyways. It was dirty and nasty. Scratches all over. Get the clean one on there. Pop it on there. Screw that one back on. And let's give it a try. Let's see how it comes out. There we go. Oh, big old difference. Still get a little bit of yellow, like a ring around the outside. Not sure why, but might be because of the bulb. So, I guess I'm happy. You can still do the adjustment on it. Yeah, there you have it. Stevie does it. So there you go. Hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Tell your friends to join my channel. And hopefully I can keep making these videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.